IMA on Tuesday gave a call to all doctors practicing modern medicine to withdraw non-essential and non-COVID services on December 11 in protest against a Central Council of Indian Medicine notification which authorizes postgraduate practitioners in specified streams of Ayurveda to be trained to perform general surgical procedures. Emergency services will function along with ICUs and CCUs, but no elective surgical case will be posted, the doctor's body said, stating that the notification by the Central Council of Indian Medicine to allow the legal practice of surgeries by Ayurveda practitioners and the formation of 4 committees by Niti Aayog for the integration of all systems of medicine will only lead to mixopathy. The Indian Medical Association demanded an immediate withdrawal of both. The recent policy tilt, as evidenced in the medical pluralism advocated by the National Education Policy 2020 and the 4 committees of Niti Aayog for officially integrating the systems of medicine in medical education, practice, public health and administration, as well as research, ostensibly for a one nation, one system policy, will ring the death knell of modern medicine system as a whole, IMA National President Dr. Rajan Sharma said. The notification issued by Central Council of Indian Medicine on November 19 listed the procedures that will be included in the PG training of Ayurveda doctors by amending the Indian Medicine Central Council Regulations 2016. It stated that the amendments were being made with the sanction of the central government. During the period of study, postgraduate scholars of Shalya Tantra or general surgery and Shalakya Tantra, which means surgeries of the ear, nose, throat, head and eye, will be practically trained to perform 58 surgical procedures independently. General surgical procedures include amputation of gangrene, skin grafting, laparotomy, many advanced gastrointestinal surgeries. Under Shalakya Tantra, they will be trained to do fairly advanced ophthalmic surgeries such as iris prolapse surgery, squint surgery, cataract surgeries of all kinds. News Desk County English.